everyone, welcome back to my channel. Our next LEQ for 7 marks in circles chapter is 17th question. Find the equation of circle whose center lies on x-axis. Here the center is on the x-axis and passing through the points -2, 3 and 4, 5. So first we will consider the equation of circle, right? So let us consider S is equals to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0 as equation 1 be the required equation of circle. Given that C is nothing but the center, which is minus G comma minus F, lies on x-axis. As we know, equation of x-axis is nothing but the y coordinate will be equal to 0, right? So we'll get here the value of F is equals to 0. So our center will be minus G comma 0. So the F value is 0. And given that circle passing through the 2 points which are -2, 3 and 4, 5. So this 2 points passes through equation 1. Equation 1 passes through -2, 3. So if we substitute in 1, we'll get -2 square plus 3 square plus 2g into -2 plus the f term is not there, so it is 0, plus c equals to 0. So it is 2 square is 4 plus 3 square is 9 and this is minus 2 into 2 is 4, 4g plus c equals to 0. So if we arrange, we should write the g and f term first, then we should write the c term. 9 plus 4 is 13, so it is plus 13 equals to 0. Take it as equation 2. Now again the another point we need to substitute. So equation 1 passes through 4, 5. So we'll get 4 square plus 5 square plus 2g into 4 plus 0 plus c is equals to 0. So it is 4 into 4 is 16 plus 5 square is 25 plus 2 into 4 is 8g plus c is equals to 0. So this can be written as 8g plus c plus 25 plus 16 is 41 equals to 0. Take it as equation 3. Now solve equation 2 and 3. So equation 2 is minus 4g plus c plus 13 equals to 0 and equation 3 is 8g plus c plus 41 equals to 0. Subtracting both, so changing signs, so minus c and plus c gets cancelled. Minus 8g minus 4g is minus 12g and here 41 minus 41 plus 13 will be minus 28 equals to 0. So from here we'll get as minus 12g equals to 28 and g is equals to 28 by minus 12. Cancelling with 4 table, 4 3s are 12 and 4 7s are 28. So the value of g will be minus 7 by 3. Now we need to find the value of c. So substitute the value of g in equation 2. Substitute g value in equation 2. So our equation 2 is minus 4g plus c plus 13 equals to 0. So it is minus 4 into the g value is minus 7 by 3 plus c plus 13 equals to 0. So it is minus into minus is plus and the LCM is 3 here. So it is 28 plus 3c plus 13 3s are 39 whole by 3 equals to 0. So from here we'll get 39 plus 28 is 67 is equals to 0. So here the value of 3c is equals to minus 67. C is equals to minus 67 by 3. So we got the value of C also. Now we should substitute all the values in equation 1. G, F, C values in equation 1 will get S is equals to x square plus y square plus 2 into the value of G is minus 7 by 3 into x plus F is 0 and C is minus 67 by 3 equals to 0. Taking the LCM, which is 3, so we'll get S is equals to 3 into x square plus y square minus 2 into 7 is 14x and minus 67 is equals to 0 is our answer. 18th question is find the equation of circle passing through the 3 points 1 comma 2 3 comma minus 4 and 5 comma minus 6. So we have to consider the equation of circle. Let the required equation of circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0 as equation 1. So equation 1 passes through first point is 1 comma 2. So we'll get 1 square plus 2 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 2 plus c is equals to 0. So this can be written as 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4 plus 2g plus 2 into 2 is 4f plus c is equals to 0. So from here we'll get the value 2g plus 4f plus c and 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 5 equals to 0. Take it as equation 2. Now substitute the second point. Equation 1 passes through 3 comma minus 4. So this can be written as 3 square plus minus 4 square plus 2g into 3 plus 2f into minus 4 plus c is equals to 0. So here we'll get 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 plus 2 into 3 is 6g minus 2 into 4 8f plus c is equals to 0. So we'll get the value 6g minus 8f plus c plus 16 plus 9 is 25 equal to 0. Take it as equation 3. Next, equation 1 passes through the third point, which is 5 comma minus 6. So it is 5 square plus minus 6 square plus 2g into 5 plus 2f into minus 6 plus c equals to 0. So we'll get 25 plus minus 6 square will be 36 plus 2 into 5 is 10g minus 2 into 6 is 12f plus c equals to 0. So this can be written as 10g minus 12f plus c plus 61 equals to 0. Take it as equation 4. Now solve 2 and 3 equation. So the second equation is 2g plus 4f plus c plus 5 equals to 0 and equation 3 is 6g minus 8f plus c plus 25 equals to 0. Subtracting both, so the sign gets changed, so it is minus and this becomes plus, minus and minus. This gets cancelled out, we'll get minus 6 plus 2 will be minus 4g and here it is both the plus, so it is plus 12f and here subtract, so it is minus 20 equals to 0. We can take minus 4 common, so we'll get g minus 3f plus 5 equals to 0. So from here we'll get an equation g minus 3f plus 5 equals to 0. Take it as equation 5. Now we will solve equation 3 and 4. So equation 3 is 6g minus 8f plus c plus 25 equal to 0, and equation 4 is 10g minus 12f plus c plus 61 equals to 0. Subtracting, so changing the signs, will get, cancelling this c term, will get here minus 4g, and here it is plus 4f. 61 minus 25 will be minus 36 equals to 0. Taking minus 4 common, so it is g minus f plus 4 9s are 36 equals to 0. So from here we'll get a equation g minus f plus 9 equals to 0 as equation 6. Now we'll solve these 5 and 6 to get the values of g and f. Solve equation 5 and 6. Will get equation 5 is g minus 3f plus 5 is equals to 0, and equation 6 is g minus f plus 9 equals to 0. Subtracting, so it is minus, plus and minus. Cancelling the g term, here it will be minus 2f, and here it is minus 4 equals to 0. So from here we'll get minus 2f is equals to plus 4f is equals to 4 by minus 2, which will be equal to minus 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So the value of f is minus 2. So we'll find the value of g. Substitute f is equals to minus 2 in equation 6, which is g minus f plus 9 equals to 0. So it is g minus of minus 2 plus 9 equals to 0. So it is g plus 2 plus 9 equals to 0. 9 plus 2 is 11 equals to 0. So g is equals to minus 11. Substitute g and f values in equation 2. So it is 2g plus 4f plus c plus 5 equals to 0. So it is 2 into minus 11 plus 4 into minus 2 plus c plus 5 equals to 0. 2 into minus 11 is minus 22. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 plus c plus 5 equals to 0. 22 plus 8 will be minus 30 plus c plus 5 equals to 0. Minus 30 plus 5 is minus 25 equals to 0. So the value of c will get as c is equals to plus 25. Now we should substitute the values of g, f and c in equation 1. Substitute g, f, c values in 1 will get x square plus y square plus 2 into minus 11 into x plus 2 into minus 2 into y plus 25 equals to 0. So we'll get x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 equals to 0 is our answer. So 19th question is our last question of LEQ of 7 marks. If you practice all these 19 questions, you can score well from 7 marks 2 questions from this chapter. So our 19th question is, show that the points 9, 1, 7, 9, minus 2, 12, 6, 10 are concyclic and find the equation of the circles which they lie. So again we have to consider the equation of circle, which is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0 as equation 1 be the required equation of circle. We already did problems on concyclic. It is the same problem. Given points are 9, 1, 7, 9, minus 2, 12 and 6, 10. So they passes through this point. I am going to substitute one by one all the points. First we'll substitute 9, 1. So we'll get 9 square plus 1 square plus 2g into 9 plus 2f into 1 plus c is equals to 0. So this is 81 plus 1 plus 2 nines are 18g plus 2f into 1 is 2f plus c equals to 0. So from here we'll get the value as 18g plus 2f plus c. 81 plus 1 is 82 is equals to 0. Take it as equation 2. Now substitute the second point, which is 7 comma 9. So it is 7 square plus 9 square plus 2g into 7 plus 2f into 9 plus c is equals to 0. So it is 49 plus 81 plus 2 into 7 is 14g plus 2 into 9 is 18f plus c is equals to 0. So this can be written as 14g plus 18f plus c plus 81 plus 49 is 130 equals to 0. Take it as equation 3. Again substitute minus 2 comma 12. So we will get minus 2 square plus 12 square plus 2g into minus 2 plus 2f into 12 plus c is equals to 0. So it is 4 plus 12 square is 144 minus 4g plus 12 into 2 is 24f plus c is equals to 0. So we'll get minus 4g plus 24f plus c. 144 plus 4 is 148 equal to 0. Take it as equation 4. Now we will solve equation 2 and 3, and also we will solve equation 3 and 4. So our equation 2 is 18g plus 2f plus c plus 82 equal to 0. Equation 3 is 14g plus 18f plus c plus 130 equals to 0. Subtracting, so changing signs, the c terms get cancelled. We'll get here 4g minus 16f minus 48 equals to 0. Taking 4 common, we'll get g minus 4f minus 12 equals to 0. So our equation is g minus 4f minus 12 equals to 0. Take it as equation 5. Similarly, solving equation 3 and 4. So third equation is 14g plus 18f plus c plus 130 equals to 0. Equation 4 is minus 4g plus 24f plus c plus 148 equal to 0. Changing the sign, so this become positive, negative, negative and negative. This c term get cancel out. We'll get here addition, so it is 18g, and here it is subtract, so it is minus 6f, and here also subtract minus 18 equal to 0. Taking 6 common, so it is 3g minus f minus 3 equals to 0. So we'll get equation 3g minus f minus 3 equals to 0 as equation 6. Solving 5 and 6 now. Solving equation 5 and 6, so it is g, f and 1. Starting from the coefficient of f, so it is minus 4, and again the constant minus 12, and again the g coefficient 1, and here again minus 4. Similarly for equation 6, so it is minus 1, and again it is minus 3, and the g coefficient 3, and f again minus. So it is minus 1 into minus 12 is plus 12, and minus 4 into minus 3 is also plus 12. In the formula it is minus, so it is minus 12 f by minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, and 12 into 3 is 36 minus 36, so it is minus of minus here, so it is plus 36 equal to 1 by here again 4 into minus 4 into 3 is minus 12, and here it will become minus of minus, so it is plus 1. So from here we'll get the value of g is 12 minus 12 will become 0, and the f is 36 minus 3 is 33, and here it is 1 by minus 11. So from here we'll get the value of g is equals to 0. The value of f is equals to 33 by minus 11. So 11 ones are and 11 threes are. So f is equals to minus 3. We got the values of g and f. Now we have to find the value of c. So substitute g, f values in equation 2. So our equation 2 is 14g plus 18f plus c plus 130 equals to 0. So it is 14 into 0 plus 18 into minus 3 plus c plus 130 equals to 0. So it is 0. 18 into 3 is 54. So it is minus 54 plus c plus 130 equal to 0. 130 minus 54 will get as 76 equals to 0. So from here c is equals to minus 76. We got the value of c. Now substitute all the values g, f and c in equation 1. We'll get x square plus y square plus 2 into 0 into x plus 2 into minus 3 into y minus 76 equals to 0. So it is x square plus y square, and this will become minus 6y minus 76 equals to 0 is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.